Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. So yeah, MATIC has come now into this support area. This is now the area where I would start to look for a local low. It's now in this orange support area. Bear in mind, this orange support area is the support area for the more bullish direct breakout scenario, for higher in a third wave rally next. I don't really trust this until I really see impulsive follow through. But either way, this is the very bullish scenario. In a more bearish scenario, and let me just do something quickly. In a more bearish scenario, obviously we'd be waiting for another low here. In this scenario, however, we also have a 5-wave move down. So I have to count this potentially as an A wave. Okay, as part of a larger diagonal structure, an A wave, then there should be a B wave bounce and a C wave to the downside. Okay, this would be the more bearish scenario. Both are very much possible, both are likely. The yellow wave count certainly has a chance, especially if Bitcoin turns around. Yeah, but I would not necessarily believe it until we really see a break above the 89 to 90 cent level, which is the last significant swing high here. Because that would rule out basically a B wave. At least it would make it much less likely. So anyway, what does that mean? That means we basically have a 5-wave move down complete. That means in the best case, we should get a rally in a third wave. In the worst case, we could get a corrective rally. Yeah. Be aware that at the moment, while I record this video, we have no evidence that price has formed a low, but this is the area where I would look for signals, okay? So that's just basically usually a really good situation when we have a scenario in which we are waiting for some kind of a rally, either correctively or impulsively, but in both scenarios, we would expect some kind of a reaction to the upside, okay? And that could happen from 58.7 cents or 55.3 cents. A drop below that would put even more emphasis on the more bearish scenario. Okay. Either way, I would expect somewhere here a reaction, but you know how it works in the crypto market. Sometimes these rallies or price drops take longer than you would normally reasonably expect. We are now in a situation where on the 4-hour chart, we are very much oversold, okay, where the next low, looking at the price chart, might actually lead to a bullish divergence. This is the 4-hour chart, very much oversold. Daily chart, also oversold, yeah, on the RSI, on the daily, below 30 now. Last time, MATIC was even a little bit lower, and it did lead to a significant rally. It allowed a rally, well, it nearly doubled, not quite. So yeah, these situations are typically the situations we're waiting for if we want to accumulate something. And either way, I would expect maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after, a recovery. That could be quite a substantial recovery, and that recovery will then show if we are already in an impulse to the upside, or not. It wouldn't be an impulse, it would be larger diagonal structure, or if we are actually going to go for another low. That is what we don't know at this stage, but the support areas are on the chart. Short term, we are still heading down lower. 58.7, 55.3 are the next support levels. Below that level, I've got 48. If you ask me, I would like to see some kind of a bounce before going to 48. If we get to 48, I would not like to see this to happen directly. I think that would be fairly bearish. That could lead to a much more negative or much uglier decline eventually. But let's work with what we have at the moment. Let's focus on the present. Essentially, you need to know that it's now the time to watch for a bottom, I think. Yeah, we've been waiting for one more low anyway here. 5 waves down. That 5th wave might get an extension here, as it seems, as also Bitcoin and Ethereum haven't bottomed yet. At least we have no indication as we are recording this video. However, you know how quickly the situation in the crypto market can change. It's often when you are annoyed, when you feel frustrated, when you are scared, that the situation changes again. Okay, but that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.